Assalamu alaikum. Hello, food lovers, and welcome back to our channel. I hope everything's going well with you. Today, I am going to show you how to make Sri Lanka biryani. So, join me and fasten your seat belt before we take off. So, get ready, guys. I took 2 kg of keeri samba rice and 2 kg of chickens. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red color powder, 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder. If you want, you can add as per you require. 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tomatoes, 3 onions, 1 potato, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 10 green chilies, keeri leaves, rambala leaves, rose water, and saffron as you need. Guys, before that, I cut the chicken into 4 pieces. Then add the masala powder and salt to the chicken and mix well. Before setting aside to marinate, the rice should then be thoroughly washed and cooked. While the biryani is cooking, we can prepare the side dishes. Add enough oil to the pan. Allow the oil to heat up. Carefully fry the chicken until golden. And take a large enough pan for sauteing. Pour in the oil. Just wait a few seconds. Place the onions in the pan and cook until they turn golden. Then tomatoes, keeri leaves, and rambala, and wait a few seconds. Then add the ginger, chilies, tomato paste, salt, and the cumin powder, mix the chicken into sauteing paste for 5 minutes. After that, mix the chicken with the samba rice. So I used to decorate the biryani, but that is optional. It's ready now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.